Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to fix mobile gaming option not showing on TikTok. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily live stream all your games on TikTok. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. So just open your Play Store and then update your TikTok application. So just open your Play Store and then search for your TikTok application to update your TikTok application. So once you open your Play Store, you have to search for your TikTok. So just search for your TikTok application. Now, once you search for your TikTok, you need to make sure you update your TikTok to the latest version. So if your TikTok is not updated, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of this application over here. And you need to make sure you're not using TikTok Lite. You need to make sure you're using the main TikTok application. Now, once you have updated your TikTok to the latest version, just search for this VPN, secure VPN. Now, you need to make sure you install this secure VPN. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure you update it to the latest version. So you need to make sure you're using the latest version of this application. Now, once you have updated your TikTok application, open your secure VPN over here. So you can see the secure VPN over here. Just open your secure VPN. Now, once you open your secure VPN, you can see testing network speed. Just wait for it to connect. So you can see connect over here. Just click on connect to connect to this secure VPN. You can see over here connected. Now, once you are connected to this secure VPN, you have to, just wait for it to connect. Okay, you can see connected over here. Now, once you are connected to this secure VPN, all you need to do is to open your phone settings over here. Just open your phone settings over here. Now, once you open your phone settings, just scroll to where you can see apps and notifications. So you can see apps and notifications. Just click on that. Now, once you click on apps and notifications, all you need to do is to just click on application settings. Now, once you click on application settings, just scroll for it to load for all your applications over here. And now in this case, scroll to where you can see your TikTok. So just open your TikTok. Now, once you open your TikTok, you can see storage and cache. Just click on storage and cache, and you can see over here clear cache, and then you just clear cache of your TikTok. You can also clear storage of your TikTok application. Now, once you are done with this, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open your TikTok application. So just open your TikTok application over here. Now, once you open your TikTok, you can see my TikTok profile over here. You can see my TikTok profile over here with more than 48k followers. Road to 50k. Very soon I'll be hitting my 50k followers on my TikTok account. So you can see my TikTok account over here. Now, once you open your TikTok, all you need to do is to click on the three lines at the upper right corner and click on settings and privacy. Now once you click on settings and privacy, you can see over here this option which says comment and watch history. Just click on that. So just click on watch history over here. Now once you click on watch history, you can see all the videos that you have watched over here. So just wait for it to load and you can see all the videos that you have watched. So these videos are consuming your storage, so it is advisable to delete them in order to get enough storage. So you can click on select over here and then you delete the videos that are consuming your storage or your space on your device. So you select them and then delete these videos. Now once you are done, once you have deleted the videos or your watch history, just go to you can see this option says free up space. Just click on free up space, and once you are done, just clear cache and then storage over here. So you can see clear cache, just clear cache and also clear your download over here. So you can see clear and then clear over here, just clear cache of your TikTok account. Now please, if your account is a private account, you need to make sure you are using a public account. So if your account is a private account, please make sure you are using a public account. So you can see account over here, you can just change it. This is very simple. I'll drop video on how to change your account from a public account to a private account, or from a private account to a public account. So just check that on my TikTok account. Now once you are done with all these settings, just go back and then once you open your profile over here, you can see the plus button in the middle of your profile over here, and once you click on that, you can see the camera over here. All you need to do is to scroll to live. So you can see the live over here. Just click on live. Now once you click on live, you can see over here, you can see device camera and you can see mobile gaming. Just set it to mobile gaming, and now once you are done, you can see this button over here. Now you can see mobile gaming and you can see my gaming option is now shown. You can see device camera, you can see mobile gaming, and you can see live studio. So for the live studio, you can you can live stream your desktop games using this option by downloading the software. Now just select the game that you want to play by clicking on you can see add topic. So you can click on add topic and then select the game you want to play. You can see FIFA 2022, you can see Dream League Soccer, you can see all the games over here, and you can see eFootball, you can see Subway, you can see Temple Run, all the games over here. Select the game you want to play. Some of them will appear in landscape and also others will appear in portrait mode. So you have to be careful with the game you select. You need to make sure you play the game that you select over here. And now once you are done, click on go live, and anything you do will be screen recorded on your phone. So just select the game you want to play over here. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.